So today we are representing our project by an energy efficient smart city. So what is energy efficient smart city? So, energy efficient smart city uses technology to reduce the energy consumption, lower environmental impact, and enhance the quality of life for its residents by integrating smart system for buildings, transportation, and utilities. Now my friend Bablu will explain about the project.
We have here explain that here as the technology is improving, we have more energy. So we have done this project to conserve less energy our in our works. As you see this, when car will move here in the road, the force of energy will win energy. This all are the ventilator wings, which will rotate and make the energy. And when these are the still light, which will on in the right light, which will light in the night and off in the day. These are the automatic. Nobody will operate this one, and it is it will take less energy. And as you know that nowadays the electric cars bikes are inventing, so we have made here charging section which will charge here. And hospitals have hospital which operate through the solars. So to my friend Rakesh will tell the advantage of this.
Good morning, sir. We have some advantage of smart city of the environmental benefits. Energy efficient lead to less pollution and smaller ecologically footprints. Like cost saving. Cost saving is like explain. Energy used reduce cost and save money for city and residents. Public service, less traffic and better environment. Thank you, sir. Yes, sir.
Nowadays the lanes here, this lane is it's two way, yes or no?
Yes.
One is going this way, another one is going
Yes,
coming
sir.
this way.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, in which by using the which flow of energy or wind, it will move. It will move in clockwise or in anti-clockwise. Because
Clockwise.
this
When the car will go this way.
no. Actually, both sides the vehicles are running now.
Yes.
Now tell me how it will work.
Sir, we have made this one. We have rotated the sticks.
You didn't understand. Simultaneously, the same time the vehicles are running, this lane also and this lane
Sir,
also.
the wind energy which comes from this side will hit here and it moves, and from this side it will move here.
Again, you didn't understand. Moving vehicles are at the same time in both places.
Yeah.
In the plants, because there are plants now, and
Yeah. Even plants are also not cycling. So it's quite difficult to put a turbine, okay?
Yes, sir.
You can put the motors here, okay?
storage building.
Yeah. Higher building.
Yes, sir.
There is field.
Yes.
But,
Yes, sir.
Right? It will be there, and you will
But that is also not possible in all the places.
Yes, sir.
Mainly it is possible for hilly area, river area, sea beach, all this kind of area. Solar panel you can put available. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
A large amount of wind is necessary for this.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Intestine, then it digests the proteins. After that, it goes to the large intestine. Then the large intestine absorb the excessive water and the salt.
What is the mixed gland? What is the name of the mixed gland? Could I? What is the name of the mixed gland of this body? Oh.
pancreas.
pancreas. How which acid stomach creates always? को एसिड टा से बाहर करो
Hydrochloric acid.
हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड ठीक मते गोटे कथा बुझा जे हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड आमे खाउछबा मांस को हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड हजम कर दउची
Aja.
किंतु आम पेट भीतर मांस को काहे की हजम करि पाबु माने पेट भीतर को काहे कोना कर दउ नै बा हजम कर दउ
कहीं ना सेठी गोटे लेयर अछि जोटा प्रोटेक्ट करे हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड रो से लेयर रो नाम अछि म्यूकस.
नाइस थैंक यू बढ़िया
प्रयोग करे
अर्चिता किलर.
पेप्सिन एंड पेप्सिन
When the inside of the earth make pressure, it bursts out like a balloon. But it is like a acidic volcano.
What is the reaction behind it?
It when the vinegar and the baking soda mix, it make the carbon dioxide gas which the vapor is converted.
What type of solution you have taken for?
I taken the baking soda and the eno and the vinegar and the food color.
Okay. Thank you.
Put the shade down and the side will be done. I can show you that. It is closed now. If I will make the water work, then it is now open. We have controlled this, but unfortunately it does not work at the end moment because of coding.
So how much area is required for all these plantations? All these projects, how much area is required?
Area.
Minimum.
2 or 3 farmers can do it together. That it will easy for them. Area.
Cooperative farming should be there.
Yes, like we have a district corporation. In a district, we have many farmers. We can provide them this separate idea. It is cost effective. It will cost effective because everything is needed for this, but it will also beneficial.
Okay.
Because we are and all the wires, machines and all are connected once, but it will useful for many years.
Yeah.
So it is beneficial, and also prevent the
It
crop
will give
loss.
better profit, better production.
Yes, it is mostly done in America and USA.
So it will put a strong message in our villagers to
Yes,
make all these
yes.
compiled together.
And we have another concept known as this street light, automatic street light. It is daytime, so it don't no need of light, so it is turn off. Turn off. When it is night, it automatically turn off. On. It does not need any switch. Daytime it automatically turn off, and night time it automatically turn on. Automatic street light.
Thank you.
We have one more concept, sir. The composting chamber. Now we have another concept known as composting chamber. In this chamber, the wastes like cow dung, farm waste, vegetable peels are composted with the help of earthworm, who are also known as farmers' friends. They make the soil fertile and nutritious, and the soil is added in farm as manure, and manure make the plants nutritious and help them to grow properly. This process is also called composting chamber or vermicomposting chambers. Natural, it is a natural process. In this process, all the fertilizers and chemicals in it. But
Thank you all. Very good project. And actually,
Thank you, sir.
the members of these teams, they are complementary to each other.
Yeah. Sir, this Arduino,
All are participating and all are able to speak also about their experiments.
sir, this Arduino board not for only the farming, robot control cars and robot control that all robotic items this is used. This has many pins in it. We can use we can edit everything in it to make any specific requirement. It's a very complex thing. all natural things.
Natural things.
And develop it. Gain profit and profit.
Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Very good project.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. Okay, tell.
Sir, it is about rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting is the process of collecting and storing rainwater from roofs.
What is the need of harvesting rainwater?
Sir, when rainwater is come, the water is waste. So we can, sir, we can collect in our house of this container rooftop, and we can harvest in this process, and it can used in our garden, schools, homes, and in many ways.
What is the necessity? It is raining or naturally it is raining. Then what is the necessity to collect the rainwater? Why we harvest rainwater?
Sir, we harvest rainwater to use, sir.
No, the groundwater is decreasing day by day.
Yes.
Ground.
So in the rainwater, in this water, it cannot in only ground. It is the plants are there. So the plants will get water, and they will give us fruits and flower. And in other way, the water will go under the soil, and when we will do a pump or boring, the water will come, and we can use it using it.
Okay. Thank you.
Mixed agriculture. Mixed agriculture.
Tell me about mixed agriculture.
So this is vegetables, fruits, and fishing pond, and it's biogas, and this flower garden, and this goat farm, this house, and it's fishing pond.
What is the benefit?
Soil fertility, pest and diseases management, increased biodiversity, improved crops, economic benefits.
In one place we can grow so many items
Yes, sir.
for our livelihood.
Thank you, sir.
So, what is the mechanism you are using here?
Yes, sir.
What is the mechanism you are using here?
The mechanical that is blades to means we are using these blades as spade, and we are using this hydraulic pressure injection syringe, and here also hydraulic pressure, and these will be connected with the controls, and we can work. And
So, you are using this hydraulic pressure. huh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Single also we can take. We can do.
So basically, we are going to we are not cutting the plant. You can uplift one plant and
We can
put in another
do
place.
this
Yes,
in
sir.
mature plants, not the old one. Because if we will uproot this old one, that will be, if we will transfer that into some other area, then that will not grow in the old one.
Okay.
If we will take mature and
Mature and important plants.
Yes.
That you are going.
But if we will talk about these advantages, then it will not need any laborers work, and it will be take less time, and we can use the technology to save the tree and keep some endangered plants species, like we can save them also.
Very good. Very good. Answer you given. Endangered species are there. Yes, sir. They are going to be extinct. So we can take them and can implement in another place. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Thank you, sir.
But when the turbulent wave comes, they also dance. Yes or no?
Yes, but they are made in a way that they just silently rise up and flow down. This doesn't just stay still because they will rise up because of the tectonic plates of the seas.
But in case of building, we can't tolerate that one. No, your important things are there. You are staying inside. If the building will shake, means.
But it will not mostly stay because of the weight and structure like
That's a good idea. Means it's mainly for the
futuristic.
future, and we can say for the visitors.
Yes. Also, because of global warming, today's generation is facing a lot of problems. So in future, it will be a huge problem solution.
But again, we have to take care for our wastage.
Yes, because of renewable resources, we can turn the wastage into.
If you are keeping one civilization there in water bodies, definitely your wastage will also go to the sea water. Yes,
Who
sir.
will take
It will
care
make the
of
water
that?
also-
No. We can turn the wastage into renewable energy and etc.
Sustainable energy is necessary.
Yeah, by taking the underwater habits and encouraging the is earthquake alarm. An earthquake alarm is a device that warns people. An earthquake alarm is attract the people from the danger. And how does it work? It consists of a small circuit, a battery, a buzzer, and a attract metal hanging ball. When the metal hanging ball when the vibration, earthquake will come, the metal hanging ball will shake, and the earth will and the attracting they will tell the people that they will sound and herald, and now earthquake is coming. You alert from here from a danger. We have kept this one for alert the people from the danger. And this was measured by in a seismograph measure, and we can also tell us the Richter scale. What is Richter scale? Richter scale is developed by Charles F. Richter. That is measured the release energy of the earthquake. And we have present here everything that how much percent the earthquake is a danger for all people. In 6.5 or above 6.5, the earthquake is danger for all people.
Earthquake is measured by an device called seismograph, and we can tell it is Richter scale. Seismograph. It is an instrument that used to detect or record the earthquake, move of the papers, earthquake plates, and Richter scale. Richter scale is used to measure.
Tell me, your earthquake alarm based on the vibration of the earth. Huh? How you are going to know there is vibration on the earth? No, that is the alarm, na. How you will know that there is vibration in the earth?
When the two core in inner core will attract or fight each other, then the
Two plates.
the earthquake will happen there.
That is there. What is this thing?
We have put this.
This one suspended here, na?
Yes.
This one. What is this? What is the use of this?
This we have put the vibration
Stop the alarm, please.
because when the earthquake will come, we have to on this one and they will give
No,
the sound and
that will be
vibration.
automatically on.
Yes.
What is the use of this?
The-
Why you have suspended this?
Because this instrument will vibrate there and we will know that earthquake is coming.
Yes, that's what I am asking. The alarm when it will come, when there will be vibration. That
Yes.
means earth is shaking. Earthquake is coming, then the alarm will come. Okay.
Instrument. What is the instrument used for measuring the earthquake?
This instrument they will shake the ground. What we have put this
In
one.
which country this type of models are being used?
In Japan.
Japan. Japan is the mostly
Advance.
They are my colleagues.
Myself, Shamli Simran Bhoi. Myself, Vanita
हम हेमोडायलिसिस
What is your name?
सुचरिता नायक we have changed our project. Sabirani Kisan is our head.
Oh, your was previously hydroelectric power.
Yes, it was.
So it is now
Hemodialysis.
hemodialysis.
This is hemodialysis. Hemodialysis. It is a machine which filters our blood and removes the waste, salts and fluid from our body. When our kidney is no longer healthy enough to perform this function, we can simply say that it is a machine that filters and removes the extra fluid from our body who are suffering from kidney problem. There are lots of advantages of hemodialysis, like it controls our blood pressure, it filters our blood and removes the extra fluid and important waste material from our body. Now we were going to explain it by our model. As you can see that it is hemodialysis. Hemodialysis, how it works. Hemodialysis. Patient's blood is drawn out through a tube. Blood is removed from a dialysis. We can see it is our hand. This is artery and this is vein. Artery. Oxygenated blood is flowing through here and vein, deoxygenated blood is flowing through here. First of all, we will put two syringes here. The first syringe, the blood will go here. You can see that is the blood removed for dialysis. It will deoxygenated blood is moved for dialysis. It will go through the pipe, the blood pump, and will go through the hairpin pump to prevent clotting. It will clot otherwise. Now it will go to the dialyzer and flow pressure monitor. It will monitor the pressure. Now it will go to the dialyzer. As you can see, blood passes through a dialyzer. Dialyzer has a semi-permeable membrane. Waste and excess water move into dialysis fluid. It moves to dialysis fluid. The pressure monitor, and it goes again to the vein into our body. As you can see, it is coming back to the vein through here. It was done in Netherlands by Dr. William John Coef in 1973. And in India, it was done in 1941 in a Christian Medical Hospital in Vellore. There are 24 centers of hemodialysis, and in 2024, our Narendra Modi sir have launched more 16 centers in our Odisha. It is, we can say, it is an artificial kidney. We dialysis our blood, and those who are suffering from kidney problem can survive for more period. Even if
So which is the organ which pumps the blood? Heart. So you are saying from vein you are taking the blood,
Yes.
impure blood, then puring it.
Yes.
Basically that activity is done by
Kidney.
kidney. So kidney is the filtration organ.
Yes. So we can say that hemodialysis is also the artificial kidney because it purifies the blood.
Which part is called the filter of the kidney?
Nephron.
What is the wastage of the blood that you are going to filter?
Yes, I cannot.
Wastage of blood that you are going to filter through this artificial kidney.
It is a dialyzer. We don't
No, waste substances.
waste substances like yes, substances.
Urea, uric acid, ketone bodies,
Yes, uric acid,
and the
urea,
nitrogenous wastage.
nitrogenous wastage.
The nine.
No, plastic.
They should answer. They should answer. Because they are plastic. Already they read that chapter.
Glomerulus.
Okay, now explain what is it.
Glomerular filtration.
Glomerular filtration.
You have presented that is the main thing.
No, I am the one who taught them. No, they will answer.
क्लास पढ़ेबो ठीक है प्रेजेंट portion
No, actually, last night only they changed this topic actually. Before they have another one, that is the hydroelectric power.
ठीक है
That something happened, that's why they changed it. Within night they prepared this one. Okay, good. No problem.
Thank you, sir.
थोड़ा এটা
Thank you,
push
sir.
করছো
हाँ.
बट ब्लड আছে पण
हाँ.
ভিডিও
पूरा ब्लड नाही द्यायचं मला ब्लड केले जाऊ थोडे फिल्टर हे असू तुला
ठीक है
Automatic it will come.
Yes.
Space is there, yes.
this one
Explain. Hello, play by. What out
When it is used in our India, because in India the stairs are mostly used, so that if anyone is taking the leg over it and the pressure is created, then it produces some electricity. Some other projects like use turbines like waters and hydro used to form electricity, but the electricity is generated by pressure.
Now I am going to tell you how this project works.
When somebody moves from this project, this plate goes down, and here we fitted a rack gear which moves vertically downwards. Then sir, these gears move, and sir here we fitted a gear with motor, so that when I press this, it will move and electricity can be converted.
Where is the generator?
Sir, we have not fitted any generator. The electricity is coming directly from the motor, so you can store it in a battery also.
Now it is plugged.
Sir, here you can see the electricity is coming. Sir, if we make it in a large area, it can be used in malls, schools, and in public areas like railway station.
Some benefits of these projects are low maintenance, fuel-free operation, and high sensitivity. Low maintenance in this system often have four or no moving objects, making it turn independent, and this fuel-free operations.
So the electricity is produced here can be stored in a battery so that it can be used, it can be conserved for future.
Footstep electricity generator are classified with footstep electricity generation are carried for the train, the railways and the bus stand and for airport also. This is used in the high area and in the railway station and airports also. You can use this in the high traffic area also.
Traffic area not you can say, but where the staircases are.
Yes, when there are footpath also you can use this.
Stepping up, stepping down.
Yes, sir.
we can use
DC or AC?
DC, sir.
So DC electricity.
Yes. Some environmental benefits are like it is used the footstep power generation, utilize the kinetic energy to energy from the human movement. It is eco-friendly also, which helps which produce electricity from low or zero carbon emission, so helping to reduce the pollution and contributing a clean energy initiative. Good. So this project is made by hydroelectricity. The electricity is made up of hydro means water or air, but it is made up of by human pressure, so that no pollutions or no disadvantages can be said.
Okay. Can you tell me which kind of electricity that is? DC or AC? DC electricity. It's energy
in AC also.
by using an inverter.
Yes, sir.
First of all, electricity production is
Important.
producing means they can do anything.
Yes, sir.
Is there any model? You have seen any model like that?
Yes, sir.
Japan is there.
Yes. Japan they are using.
Yes.
But this one promotion is necessary. Promotion is necessary.
Excellent project.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Like things bringing new ideas.
Yes. We are using the fixed step. Rather than fixed step, we can use this spring steps.
Yes.
Yes. At least we can give energy to the building.
Idea.
Yeah.
Companies can develop.
Nice one.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
My name is Rahul Kumar Metti. This is our project. This is our project. Agrifusion. Agrifusion means one small areas of field, different types of farming, animal farming, hydroponics, and aeroponics, vertical farming, bottle farming, new agriculture farming.
Tell me even your project name is Agrifusion. So why you are taking this name?
Agrifusion means
नाम आपने क्यों select किया?
agri means different types of farming, natural मतलब कि दूसरे हर तरह के एग्रीकल्चर कह सकते हैं। सब फ्यूजन इसलिए रखेंगे मतलब हर तरह के मतलब एग्रीकल्चर हो सकता है, मतलब सिक्योर के साथ फ्यूजन में मतलब सिक्योर के साथ हो सकता है। सर एग्री
ये आपका मिक्स्ड फार्मिंग है ना?
हाँ सर।
तो एग्रीकल्चर लिया होगा, फ्यूजन का मतलब मिक्स्ड टुगेदर ही बात होगी ना।
एक होता है इंटीग्रेटेड फार्मिंग सिस्टम होता है ना, तो ये आपका मॉडल इंटीग्रेटेड फार्मिंग सिस्टम से कैसे अलग है, इससे बेटर है तो कैसे?
इंटीग्रेटेड फार्मिंग से अच्छा है तो
अच्छा, ये आपका जो है इसका बेसिक क्या है? तो फार्मिंग तो सब करते हैं, आपके फार्मिंग में एक्स्ट्रा क्या है, बेनिफिशियल क्या है?
बिना केमिकल के बनाने
वो तो ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग हो गया, वो तो ऐसे भी बना कर सकते हैं ना। आपके यहाँ पे मतलब क्या एफिशिएंसी क्या है? पानी कम यूज हो रहा है,
सर
है ना? पानी कम यूज हो रहा है ना? एनर्जी कम यूज हो रहा है। आपका जो रिसोर्सेस है, जैसे यहाँ से गोबर निकल रहा है, ये फार्म में यूज हो रहा है, फार्म से कुछ निकल रहा है वो इसके खाने के लिए यूज हो रहा है। तो जो रिसोर्सेस है वो रिसाइकल हो रहा है, रिसाइकलिंग। मेजर थिंग इज रिसाइकलिंग, ओके, एंड एनर्जी कंजर्वेशन, ओके।
Myself Jit Kumar Swai.
Myself Bharachandra Kisan.
Myself Sujit Kumar.
Myself Chandan Viswa. Myself Naman Kujur.
Our main intention to make this project is to remove povertyness from villages. So first of all, the people of village should be united. Then we are going to place a paper industry in this village area, and the paper industry will produce paper, and the steam produced by the paper industry will go to turbine, and the pressure of the turbine will make the fan move, and the turbine will produce electricity. The electricity generated by the turbine will directly go to powerhouse, and the steam, the hot air which is left out, will go to condenser. The condenser will cool it, cool the steam and generate into water. The water will be stored, which will be helpful for agriculture purpose, washing cars, washing clothes, and many other things. And we will also place a solar which will absorb sun energy, and the solar will also generate electricity, and the electricity will directly go to powerhouse. If the if there is no solar, then no sun energy, then dry waste from villages would be bought and dry here, means kept here and burned here. If the one day sun is not there, then we can use solar, and the solar will be moved down for heat absorption. Then again it can generate electricity. The pollutant air which is produced by this we will take through a moving air which will move anti-clockwise. Then the fan will take this pollutant air and condense it. Then this condensed water can be used as a recyclable for this factory. Again, here the powerhouse is there, will transfer the electricity along with data generator to all villages. So communication system will be of that village will be nice.
Can you explain me in which area you can implement this technology?
In every area, means the village which have more space.
Okay, so
It's useful.
it can be placed in any place. Is it possible?
Means village area means where there is nice nature.
For windmill, wind is necessary, no wind flow. So if there is no wind flow is there,
No,
large
means
amount of wind flow, then
this-
windmill is unnecessary.
No, this is means where it will also move anti-clockwise. If the pollution will go atmosphere, then it can also absorb and condense here.
Windmill.
Yes, not windmill means that one. If it is not moving when rainy season time, it can move and produce electricity. Means when wind will blow.
For windmill, it need a wind power or wind flow. If it is not getting that much wind, then it will not. Okay, then you can't create that much electricity. Just one. Okay, another one. Which kind of wastage you are collecting and burning so that you are getting the electricity?
Dry wastes like wood, peppers, not plastics, peppers, and dry waste cow dung also it will be useful.
You should go for with cow dung for your biogas.
Biogas.
Yes,
Also.
biogas that is known as.
Yes.
But you are burning here. Burning means air pollution.
No, here pen is the no. It will in pressure it will move anti-clockwise and take all the means pollutants air to here and condense it. Again, it can be useful for factory.
So you are condensing that gas.
Yes.
And how it is useful? Which gases you are condensing it using that?
Sir, didn't understand.
Which gases you are condensing and you are using?
The gases which is released by the pit.
That's very toxic gases. If you are burning the plastic or other things, then it's very toxic.
No, we
And
not
if
plastic.
you are going for burning of wood, then simply we are going against the deforestation. That means deforestation. Yes or no? You can't promote that one. Clear? Wastage means simply you will promote the deforestation. Yes or no? And if you are burning also, that you can use in the agriculture area. Yes or no? In agriculture field, after cutting, still the remainings are there. Yes or no? The dry remainings. Yes or no? In case there is a cloudy region, cloudy place, cloudy weather is there, that time you can use that dry wastage from the agricultural field and you can use. Okay?
Sir, but we will use this water for recycle of paper only, not any other things. Only for paper, not irrigation purpose or not washing anything.
No. That is the gases which are releasing what you are doing, not the water. You are burning, no?
Yes.
You are burning, then with that burning, this solar
Solar.
panel will hit. Yes, or no? Get the heat and it produce the electricity. I am asking the gas which are is forming, where it is going?
By through,
Through this pipe.
yes,
After that, what you are doing with those gases?
condensing it,
After condensation, what you will do?
water will be stored. Then water,
From the gas, water will get.
yes,
That gas is water. Sorry, that is water vapor. No. That's the poisonous gas it will be. When anything burn, that time sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, yes or no? Nitrogen oxide, this kind of poisonous gases will come. Even carbon monoxides, they are very toxic in nature. You can't get water from that. Only you can filter that air and you can again leave the air to the atmosphere. That only you can do. Okay? You can't use that one. And what you are saying condensation is different. Condensation means cooling. Okay? Condensation means suppose the water vapors are floating here. After condensation, they will convert into water molecules. Okay? Or water. That is. So basically, you are using for the village area.
yes.
The smart village, you can say, no?